And the thing about sound effects is you don't want to overwhelm your videos with it just to look fancy. Is it part of a transition so it works well? You gotta listen to it a couple of times to see how you feel about it. And a lot of editing comes down to your own gut instincts and how you trust your own judgment and your creativity into what works, what is good enough and what's not good enough. Because this is your own personal project, right? You are the client. So you should know what you want.